Thanks for attending this weekend's project. This video is intended to give you an overall briefing as to what we're aiming to achieve and what your role in the team is. This briefing does not replace your cost briefing. Please make sure that you sign in with the SAC and pay attention to your costs at all times. If you have any questions, feel free to raise them either with your cost pick or one of the Enable site management team. The names of your cost picks and Enable site management are shown on the screen now. Feel free to make a note of any contact numbers you may need relevant to your shift. Safety critical staff will find the ES located in one of our welfare cabins, which will be located in Front Station car park. The meeting point for the start of the shift will be at Front Station. This is where you'll also find our welfare facilities located throughout our works. Please be aware that there is no whitelist parking in operation for this weekend, so any vehicles parked in this station will need to pay for it using the Apoca app. There's signs in the station car park with the location details listed. We've organised a minibus and a tool van to transport everyone to and from the meeting point to the works location. COSs and ECOWs should board the minibus first, which will give them a head start on carrying out fingertip searches while the cutting teams travel to site. Please be respectful of the minibus. There are overshoes provided to help you keep it clean from muddy boots. For anyone involved with OTP movements today, your plant will be accessing at Frant Station Wrap and travelling towards the lower mileage. We'll need the MUP to access first, followed by the RRV. Once at site, the MUP should use the points to access the down line, whilst the RRV will go on to the up line. The RRV should travel with both the brush cutter and tree shear attachments, as well as the grab for removing arisings. Our worksite today consists of vegetation between 34 mile 52 chain and 35 mile 12 chain. You can view this map on your phones by going to the link tinyurl.com/weekend41. The minibus will take staff from the meeting point over to Cavendish Drive. From there, follow the public footpath around to get to site and access using the far gate. We'll have 4 ecologists on site with us today. Each ECOW will survey a quarter of the work site, approximately 400 metres in length each. Once your ecologist has assessed an area as clear to cut, they will brief the team, who can then proceed to carry out the de-veg works under their supervision. Arisings will be transported back to the wrap for chipping and removal. Waste will be chipped using a whole tree chipper and into a row container on site. It will then be removed for biomass at the end of our works. As previously mentioned, we are working in a sensitive area today with high potential for dormice. Please make sure you listen to the ECOW briefing and do not disturb any brash piles or dormouse boxes on site. Please also be mindful to store all tools and fuel cans on a spill mat when not in use, and do not leave any litter on site during our works. If you have any questions, feel free to ask an Enable site manager or your cost pick. Thanks for watching. I hope everyone has a good shift.